Susan Howard. I am the Director of Event Operations for the Professional Beauty Association. It is definitely a team effort. I do not do any of this by myself. A staff of 50 temporary workers that are local that we hire to run our registration, the info booths, badge holder pickup, things like that. We contract out with a security consulting company, and I have absolutely no idea how many security people they contract. They then subcontract through a local security company. Every booth out there, it's a beautiful trade show. In walking the floor, if they're cutting back, there's nothing visual to show that they're cutting back on things. I don't see that huge of a difference, except for maybe they've cut back a little on space or things like that. But what they do to dress up their booth
not
is
quality.
consistent. The best thing about it is we have a wonderful, solid team in our association that everybody pitches in, and once you get on site, you may be doing things that are not necessarily related to your job function, but everybody jumps right in. We all need each other and work hard for each other.
Thank you so much for letting us in on this.
Quite welcome. It's been a pleasure.
And your name?
Susan Howard.
And you're with?
The Professional Beauty Association.